Question 11. Part A. Midhill invests $1,500 at a rate of 4.2% per year compound interest. Calculate the value of the investment at the end of 5 years. So the value of the investment, don't write this. Usually students write compound interest is equal to P into, no, this is amount or the value of investment. You get the interest when you get the final amount, then minus the principal or what was invested. So we shall have, you can write amount or value of investment, which is equal to the principal into 1 plus the rate, which is out of 100, and then the number of years or the duration. So this is 1500 into 1 plus. This is 4.2 out of 100, and this is after 5 years. So put this in the calculator and then you write the answer. 1500 into 1 plus 4.2 out of 100, then power 5. That is 1842. Then I can write this one as 1842.59. That is to the nearest cent. In other words, this is $1,842.59. You know that $1 is equivalent to 100 cents. Okay, so usually money in dollars, we write it to 2 decimal places. So in other words, 1 cent is equivalent to, you get this one divided by 100, which is 0.01, okay, dollars. So these are 2 decimal places. So when they say nearest cent, that's what it means. But you can write 1843, that is 3, to the nearest dollar, or 1840. Okay, but then when you kill that $2, that's a lot of money you're losing. Okay, so let's just write 1842.59. Part B. Hitanshi invests some money at a rate of X% per year compound interest. At the end of 11 years, the value of the investment has doubled. Calculate the value of X. So first of all, we know that amount is equal to the principal into 1 plus R over 100, then to the power of T. Okay, so the amount has doubled. That means the principal is times 2. So we have 2P, then it's equal to, here we have the P into 1 plus. Now the rate is X. So it is at the end of 11 years. So P will go. So when P goes, we shall have here a 2, which is equal to 1 plus X out of 100, then power 11. Now X is in here. We have to make X the subject of the formula. Now, if I have, let's say, X is equal to, and we have X squared is equal to, let's say, 5, and I need X. I take the square root, right? You always take the square root. But what is square root? I'm going to power this one with the reciprocal of this power. This is 2 over 1. So its reciprocal is 1 over 2. What I do this way is what I do here. You see that? So that using the rules of indices, this 2 is going to multiply with that a half, and then you remain with the X here to the power of 1. So that is the same thing I'm going to do here. That to do away with this power, then I'm going to get this one. Okay, then I power it with 1 over 11, because here it is over 1. You see that? So it is the same thing that I will do this side. I also put 1 over 11. So that will be 2 power 1 over 11, which is equal to, these ones will multiply and it goes. Okay, and then we have 1 plus X over 100. Take the 1 here. So you have we have 2 to the power of 1 over 11, then minus 1. which is equal to x over 100. That means everywhere I will multiply by 100 to do away with this. Remember, division is undone by multiplication. So my x here is going to be 100 into 2 to the power of 1 over 11, then minus 1. So we put all of this in the calculator and we get the answer. 100 into 2 to the power of 1 over 11, then minus a 1 here. That is 6.50. 6.50 to three significant figures.